Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English conversation but you feel stuck, nervous or confused while speaking, then this video is for you. Today I will share some very practical and easy English conversation tips that you can use in your daily life. These tips are especially for beginner and intermediate learner. First of all, stop waiting for perfection. Many people think I will speak English only when my grammar is perfect. This is the biggest mistake. Remember one thing very clearly. You learn to speak by speaking, not by waiting. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Second tip is think in English, not in Hindi. At the beginning, this is difficult, but you can start small. For example, when you see a fan, say in your mind, this is a fan. When you are drinking tea, think, I am drinking tea. This habit will slowly change your thinking pattern. If you first think in Hindi and then translate into English, your conversation will always be slow. Third tips, use simple sentences. Many learners try to use very big and difficult words to look smart. This creates some confusion and fear. Simple English is powerful English. For example, instead of saying I am extremely executed today, you can say I am very tired today. Both are correct, but the second one is easy and natural. Four tips, practice daily conversation. English is not a subject, it is a skill, and skill need daily practice. Talk about daily life topic like your morning routine, your work, your family, your hobbies. You can speak in front of a mirror, or you can record your voice on your phone. Listen to yourself. At first you may feel uncomfortable, but slowly your confidence will increase. Fifth tips, don't focus too much on grammar while speaking. Grammar is important, but while speaking, fluency is more important. If you stop again and again to correct grammar, your flow will break. For example, if you say he go to market yesterday, it is wrong grammarly, but people can understand you. Later with practical grammar will automatically improve. Six tips, learn phrases, not single word. Instead of learning only word, learn small sentences and phrases. For example, how are you doing? That sounds good. I agree with you. Let me think. These phrases help you speak faster and move naturally. Seventh tip, listen more, speak more. Listening is very important for good conversation. Listening to English podcast, YouTube videos, movies, and interviews. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, just listen regularly. Your brain will slowly catch the rhythm, pronunciation, and common expressions. 8 tips, improve pronunciation slowly. You don't need a foreign accent. Indian accent is perfect fine. Focus on clear pronunciation, not accent. Speak slowly and clearly. Speed will come with time. Remember, clarity is more important than speed. Ninth tip, don't compare yourself with other. Everyone has a different learning speed. Some people learn fast, some learn slow. Comparison is kill confidence. Compare yourself only with your past self. It if today you speak better than yesterday, that's success. 10th tips, use English in real life. Try to use English whenever possible. Talk to yourself in English. Write small sentences daily. Comment in English on social media. Chat in English. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily can make a big difference if you are consistent. Finally, remember one golden rule, consistency beats motivation. You may feel motivated today, but motivation goes up and down. Discipline and daily practice will take you forward. Speak English daily, even if it is broken English. Slowly your confidence will grow, your hesitation will disappear, and your English conversation will improve. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical English learning videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Keep speaking English. Goodbye and take care.